So as you must have got from the thumbnail and from the title that this is the unboxing of the new helmet which I got yesterday.
Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to bronze.
So yesterday, me and my friend Sahal, we went for a bit of helmet shopping. Prior to that, in the afternoon, I went to Thane, where I saw a motovlogger's video, wherein he went to Thane and he got his helmet. In that video, it was a really huge shop when I went today. That was like 3 years ago. The video was like 3 years old. But yesterday when I went over there, it was not that big, and they didn't have much of the choices on the display. So I couldn't make my choices. He said that he has many more choices with them. They're in the boxes, but then whatever you see, you select from them. Actually, you need to see them. So you can't just see it on the pictures or trying it on. You need to try it on. So that's the reason I just came back. So I came back, and then me and my friend Sahal, we went for the helmet shopping. So there's a shop in Andheri, helmet store, Andheri East, near Gundabri. So I have purchased like all of my helmets from there. So the new one which I got yesterday is my 5th helmet, and my friends as well, they purchased from there as well. So he is authorized Axor helmet dealer, and he has other helmets as well, the other brands, MT, LS2, Studs, SMK, everything. So earlier I used to use this helmet, but then having a sports bike and using a open face or the half face helmet is not actually recommended right now. So whenever I used to use this, what used to happen was when I used to be on the highest speed, the air used to come in and it used to try to push the helmet up, and which was really uncomfortable at the highest speed, and that's the reason I wanted a full face helmet. So yesterday I went and I got this Axor carbon fiber helmet, which is also known as Axor Rage Warfare, which is one of the lightest helmet I've ever tried, the full-faced lightest helmet, and I'll just get that. So that helmet is right here. So I'll just remove this off, wear my glasses, because I'm not wearing my contact lenses. So this is the box of the new Axor helmet which I just got yesterday. So this helmet, I'll get to the pricing and all everything. First we'll just unbox it. So this is the actual visor which you get with this helmet, but this is the chrome one. As you can see, it's a chrome visor which I can use it at night. So that's the reason I got the normal clear screen visor as well with the helmet, with the pin lock. And I got this as well because when normally I do the rides in the daytime, so I need this. I really need this. Many of them say even Sal told me why do you even need that? Just wear your glasses or something. No, I would prefer this. So that's the reason I got this. I paid extra for this one. So this is the one. And this is the actual helmet. Obviously it comes with the bag. Obviously. Let's open it up. So yes, this is my new Axor carbon fiber helmet, which is absolutely light. I can say it's lighter than my half-faced helmet. It's that light because it's of carbon fiber, so obviously it has to be. If you can compare, no, it's almost of the same way. It's 1250, 1250, so it's almost the same. But I don't know why I'm feeling this very light. Maybe it's new and I'm more biased towards this. But no, I'm not being biased over here, but then this feels more lighter. Maybe because of the weight distribution or anything like that, I don't know, but this feels much lighter when you wear it. So it comes with the visor, with the chrome visor as I mentioned, but I changed it to the normal visor with the, I'll remove it off, with the pin lock, but it's not the pin lock, it's a pin sticker, so I have to remove that as well. Okay, it's really new, so it's so yeah, I'll remove this as well, the pin lock sticker. And how should I remove it off? Okay, so bit of a struggle, haha. I'm really sorry with this because this is really new, and that's the reason I paid a lot for this. So that's the reason I'm very careful right now, at least while opening the visor, because it's really tough, or maybe it's really hard, and I don't want to break it in any way actually. That's the reason I'm being gentle, but it doesn't want to open, so I'll just remove this off right now. Yes, it came off. So it comes with the pin, it comes with the chrome visor, but I removed this and I have put this one, the clear screen visor with the pin lock. For this you have to pay extra. It's really very light. It has dual certification from ECE and DOT, which is European standard and the American standard. What else I can say about this? It has really good cushioning. If you can see, it's really good cushioning. So whenever you're getting any helmet, just make sure about this one thing. When you wear your helmet, it should be really tight. Not very tight, but your cheek should go like a fish face. Just because you're wearing a helmet actually for your safety. So that's the reason it has to be really very tight. At least on your cheeks. That's where you get to know it's very tight. For me, the medium size helmet is the perfect one. It depends on you exactly how you want it. Talking about the ventilation, it has this for the ventilation, and over here, okay, it's already open, so this. What else? As I mentioned, it has a spoiler. It is very light. The cushioning is really good. You can remove these off. You have slots for Bluetooth as well. And I don't want to pull this video much longer because I don't have anything much to say on this, because it's a normal helmet actually. Just the unique thing is about it's a carbon fiber helmet. Only 18 helmets have the dealers in Mumbai. Only 18 of these helmets are in Mumbai, from which 13 have been sold, and this is the 13th one. So it's limited edition and it's really exclusive. That's the reason I did this. And just because I'm riding a KTM RC right now, which is an aggressive position. For me, when I ride it like that, having a light helmet on my head would be much better for me, because I'll be in the lean aggressive position and my neck will stop paining after a certain point of time, or maybe after a certain duration of time, when you just ride it continuously. And that's the reason I wanted a lightweight helmet, and that's the reason I paid that much amount and I got this. So the cost of this helmet is, MRP is 7910. So the cost is 7910. I don't know if it's visible, but here it is, 7910. And with the visor, with the clear screen visor, and with the pin lock, I got it for 8360. So that was the cost of it. I don't know what exactly to say, because this is the helmet which I really wanted. I really wanted a full face helmet and very light for my head. So whenever I'm riding it, I shouldn't feel any pain in my neck. Obviously, I may feel the pain in my neck, but not much. So this is my new helmet, Axor Rage Warfare, or the carbon fiber helmet. I'm really happy with this. I don't even regret spending that much amount for a helmet, because many of them say that you get helmets for 4,500 or 3,000 or 5,500, 6,500, and it does the work for you. But until you're not happy with the helmet, it doesn't make any sense. So when I got this, when I saw this helmet and when I took it in my hand, it was really light, and that's where I made my decision. Even before wearing this, that was actually bad of me. But then, but I just needed just to wear it. It was just for the size. But when I took it in my hand, I really felt the difference between the Axor limited edition. I guess there was Apex helmet, which was, and I saw the SMK as well, which my friend Sahal has it. So I saw the the weight difference in it, and I really felt for this. And that's where I made my decision that I would want to take this one. And then I tried the other helmet, I was trying the XL, and then I tried the large, and then I tried the medium, and then I realized, okay, medium is perfect for me. And that's when I made my decision to take this one. So that's all for today. This visor, this helmet, this visor, and yeah, it doesn't have a dual visor in it. You need to remove this and put this one. That's the reason I took two visors. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please don't forget to like this video, give a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and share the video as much as you can. Bye bye, love you all, take care, and see you same beautiful people in the next video. Bye.